Welcome to Share It Math, guys. Today I am solving this crazy Math Olympic problem in a very unique method where cube root of x minus square root of x is equals to 0. So as we generally know that a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of 1 over n. So it's defined that x cube root is 1 over 3 minus square root of x is 1 over 2, which is equals to 2. So now let x is equals to y to the power of 6. Now replace x y to power of 6. 1 over 3 minus x is y to the power of 6 or 1 over 2 is equals to 2. So as we know the power formula, a to the power of m into n, which is a to the power of bracket m into n. So I same power, so y into 1 over 3 minus y is y into 1 over 2. Power multiply means whole power bracket is equals to 2. So remove, cancel it out. 2s are 6, 2 3s are y square minus y cube is equals to 2. So this term negative goes opposite side, means positive. Y square minus y cube minus 2 is equals to 0. Y square minus y cube minus 1 is 2 is equals to 0. So y square minus 1, wrote y square minus 1 minus y cube minus 1 is equals to 0. As I am considered that 1 square is equals to 1 is equals to 1 cube. So now take a group y square minus 1 square minus, so y cube minus take common means plus inside, and 1 is equals to 1 cube is equals to 0. So now using a formula, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b, and another formula, a cube minus b cube is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This means that y square minus 1 square, y plus 1 and y minus 1 minus y plus 1 into y square minus y into 1 plus 1 square is equals to 0. So y square plus 1 take common, y square plus 1 bracket y minus 1 minus y square minus y plus 1 bracket close equals to 0. So y plus 1 into y minus 1 minus y square minus plus y minus plus minus 1 equals to 0. This means that y plus 1 into y minus y plus 2y minus 2 equals to 0. So now what the factor? Y plus 1 is equals to 0, or minus y square plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. So plus 1 here goes opposite side of equal, negative. Y is equals to minus 1, y is equals to minus 1. So we solve this equation where minus common, take minus common, y square minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0, minus 1 divided by minus 1. So y square minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. This means that I am using, this is a quadratic equation, I am using complete squaring method. So this means that y square minus 2 into y into 1, and 2 is 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. This term is square, and this whole term means, using formula a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equals to a minus b whole square, y minus 1 whole square plus 1. So plus 1 here was opposite side, gave us negative, equals to minus 1. So take square root both side. If I am taking square root both side, our term is y minus 1, which is equal to, this is square root of minus 1 is iota. So this term is minus and goes opposite side, give us positive, because square plus minus, consider y is 1 plus minus iota. This means y is 1 plus iota, or y is 1 minus iota. Now I'm recall what we let x is equals to y to the power of 6. So replace y to the power of 6. X is, as our first answer is y is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to what? Minus 1, where y power is 6. 6 are, if I am minus 1 to square and power 3, minus minus plus all power 3x, and x is equals to 1 is our answer. X is equals to 1. Now find out their other solution, where x is equals to 1 plus iota whole power 6. This means x is equal to 1 plus iota, 2 plus 4 is 6. This means that separate their solution, 1 square and 1 plus iota whole power 4. X is equals to 1 plus iota square, 1 plus iota square whole square. So I'm using a formula a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. They gave us me x is equals to 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 2 into 1 into iota plus iota square, and now 1 square plus 2 into 1 into iota plus iota square whole square. So I'm journal say that x is equals to 1 plus 2 iota, or iota square is minus 1. 1 plus 2 iota square is minus 1 square, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel. So now plus minus term is cancelled, and what is remainder is 2 iota into 2 iota square. X is equals to 2 iota into 4 iota square. Iota square is minus 1. 2 iota into 4 into minus 1. X is equals to 2 iota into minus 4. X is equals to minus 8i, where y is equals to 1 plus I. They give x is minus 8 iota, where y is equals to 1 minus I. They gave x value is 8 iota. Is our desired solution. Thanks for watching.